If you're wondering why 85% of photographers are secretly buying these cameras in 2026, the answer comes down to value, performance, and future-proof features. Many creators are skipping overpriced flagship models and choosing cameras that deliver sharp image quality, reliable autofocus, strong video performance, and real-world usability without wasting money. In this video, we reveal the cameras photographers are quietly choosing for portraits, travel, YouTube, filmmaking, and everyday photography. Stay with us, because these picks could help you buy smarter and avoid spending on the wrong camera in 2026. Number 7. Canon EOS R5 Mark II with RF24 to 105mm f4L lens. Pro hybrid camera. Photographers trust in 2026. The Canon EOS R5 Mark II with the RF24 to 105mm f4L lens is a premium hybrid camera setup built for photographers who want professional image quality, speed, and versatility in one package. It clearly supports the idea behind why 85% of photographers are secretly buying these cameras in 2026, because it delivers high-end performance for both serious photography and cinematic video work. With its 45-megapixel full-frame back-illuminated sensor, the R5 Mark II captures exceptional detail, wide dynamic range, and rich Canon colors. This makes it ideal for portraits, landscapes, weddings, commercial shoots, and content creation. The included RF24 to 105mm f4L lens adds excellent flexibility, covering wide shots, portraits, events, and travel photography with professional sharpness and reliable stabilization. For video creators, 8K recording gives this camera serious future-proof value, while Canon's advanced autofocus keeps subjects sharp during movement. The body feels durable, responsive, and ready for demanding professional use. Overall, the Canon EOS R5 Mark II kit is not a budget pick, but it is one of the smartest premium choices for photographers and hybrid creators who want outstanding photo quality, advanced video features, and a versatile lens setup in 2026. Number 6. Canon EOS R50 mirrorless camera with RF-S 18 to 45mm lens. Smart beginner hybrid pick for 2026. The Canon EOS R50 is one of those cameras that explains why 85% of photographers are secretly buying these cameras in 2026. It offers strong performance without the intimidating price or learning curve of higher-end models. Built with a 24.2-megapixel APS-C sensor, it captures sharp, detailed images with Canon's natural color science, making portraits, travel shots, and everyday photography look clean straight out of the camera. What makes the R50 especially appealing is its balance of simplicity and capability. The autofocus system is fast and reliable, with subject detection that helps beginners capture sharp results even when shooting moving people or casual action. For content creators, the 4K video quality, lightweight body, and vlogging-friendly design make it useful for YouTube, Reels, and everyday video work. The included RF-S 18 to 45mm lens gives new users a practical starting range for wide shots, portraits, and daily shooting. Plus, Canon's RF mount leaves room for future lens upgrades as skills improve. Overall, the Canon EOS R50 is a smart value mirrorless camera for photographers and creators who want dependable image quality, easy operation, and modern hybrid features in 2026. Number 5. Panasonic Lumix S5 II full-frame mirrorless camera. Powerful hybrid value pick for 2026. The Panasonic Lumix S5 II is one of the most underrated full-frame hybrid cameras for creators who want serious photo and video performance without paying flagship-level prices. Built with a 24.2-megapixel full-frame sensor, it delivers clean detail, strong dynamic range, and natural-looking color, making it suitable for portraits, travel, weddings, interviews, and everyday creative projects. A major upgrade is the phase hybrid autofocus system, which gives the S5 II much better subject tracking than older Panasonic models. This makes it more dependable for moving subjects, handheld shooting, and video work. For creators, the unlimited 4:2 to 2 10-bit recording is a huge advantage, offering professional flexibility for color grading and long-form content. Panasonic's active IS stabilization is another standout feature, helping reduce shake when filming handheld or shooting in challenging conditions. This makes the camera especially useful for YouTubers, filmmakers, and hybrid shooters who need smooth footage without always relying on a gimbal. Overall, the Lumix S5 II offers excellent full-frame image quality, strong video tools, improved autofocus, and impressive stabilization. It's a smart choice for photographers and creators quietly choosing high-value cameras in 2026.
Number 4. Canon EOS R8 Full-Frame Mirrorless Camera. Lightweight hybrid camera photographers want in 2026. The Canon EOS R8 is a perfect example of why 85% of photographers are secretly buying these cameras in 2026. It brings full-frame image quality into a compact, lightweight body without the bulk of a professional flagship camera. With its 24.2 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor, the R8 delivers clean detail, strong dynamic range, and beautiful background blur, making it excellent for portraits, travel, lifestyle shoots, and everyday photography. One of the biggest advantages of this camera is its dual-pixel autofocus 2 system. It tracks faces, eyes, and moving subjects with impressive accuracy, helping photographers capture sharp results even in fast-paced situations. For creators who shoot both photos and video, the R8 also offers 4K 60p recording, making it a strong hybrid option for YouTube, vlogging, and cinematic content. Despite being full-frame, the body stays extremely portable, which makes it ideal for travel photographers and creators who want professional quality without carrying heavy gear. The simple controls and Canon's user-friendly menu system also make it approachable for enthusiasts upgrading from APS-C cameras. Overall, the Canon EOS R8 offers an excellent balance of full-frame performance, portability, autofocus reliability, and video capability, making it one of the smartest camera choices for photographers in 2026. Number 3. Fujifilm X-S20 with XF16 to 50mm lens. Creative hybrid camera photographers are choosing in 2026. The Fujifilm X-S20 is exactly the kind of camera that shows why so many photographers are secretly buying these cameras in 2026. It delivers a smart mix of image quality, portability, creative color, and video performance without feeling overly complicated. Built around Fujifilm's powerful APS-C system, the X-S20 produces sharp photos with beautiful tones, making it a strong choice for portraits, travel, street photography, and everyday creative work. One of its biggest advantages is Fujifilm's signature color science and film simulations. These give photos a stylish, polished look straight out of the camera, which is perfect for creators who want great results without heavy editing. The included XF16 to 50mm lens adds useful flexibility, covering wide scenes, daily shots, and tighter compositions in one lightweight setup. For hybrid creators, the X-S20 is also impressive. It offers strong video features, reliable autofocus, and in-body image stabilization, helping produce smoother handheld footage for YouTube, Reels, and travel content. Overall, the Fujifilm X-S20 is a smart value camera for photographers who want a compact, creative, and future-ready system that performs beautifully across both photography and video in 2026. Number 2. Canon EOS R10 Mirrorless Camera Body. Fast, lightweight camera for creators in 2026. The Canon EOS R10 is a smart mirrorless camera choice for photographers and content creators who want speed, modern autofocus, and strong image quality without moving into expensive professional bodies.
With its 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor and Digic X image processor, it captures sharp photos with pleasing Canon colors, making it useful for portraits, travel, street photography, and everyday creative shooting. One of the biggest reasons photographers are quietly choosing cameras like this in 2026 is performance to price value. The EOS R10 offers high-speed shooting and reliable subject tracking, helping users capture moving people, pets, and action scenes with confidence. Its autofocus system is fast and beginner-friendly, reducing missed shots and making the camera easier to trust in real-world situations. For video creators, the 4K recording capability makes it a strong option for YouTube, vlogging, reels, and casual filmmaking. The compact, lightweight body is easy to carry, which is perfect for creators who shoot on the go. Overall, the Canon EOS R10 delivers an excellent mix of speed, portability, autofocus performance, and hybrid features, making it a practical camera for creators who want serious capability in a budget-friendly body.
Number 1. Nikon Z52 Lens Kit, compact mirrorless camera bundle for photography and video in 2026. The Nikon Z50 with 2 lenses is a smart mirrorless camera kit for photographers who want flexibility, portability, and strong image quality without spending on a professional full-frame setup. Its compact body makes it easy to carry for travel, street photography, family moments, and everyday creative work, while the APS-C sensor delivers sharp images with natural colors and solid low-light performance. What makes this bundle especially valuable is the 2-lens setup. The wide-angle zoom is great for landscapes, vlogging, indoor shots, and daily photography, while the telephoto zoom gives you extra reach for wildlife, sports, events, and distant subjects. This gives beginners and enthusiasts more creative range right out of the box. For hybrid creators, the Nikon Z50 also performs well with clean video quality, responsive autofocus, and a user-friendly design. The controls feel simple enough for new users, but still offer enough manual options for photographers who want to grow their skills. Overall, the Nikon Z52 Lens Kit is one of those practical camera bundles photographers are quietly choosing in 2026 because it delivers strong value, useful lens coverage, compact handling, and dependable performance for both photos and video.